is there anything in the law or in the Senate rules that states that that's an optional thing na maaring ang Senado ay hindi pumayag na i-release ang akusado o respondent?
Wala, except na nasa Constitution. Yung immunity from arrest, yun yung 6 years and below.
Yes, sir.
May immunity from arrest pagka yung Congress in session.
Yes, sir.
So, I suppose, yung definition ng Congress is in session, may nagsasabi na sinidye, meaning bandang June ito. Doon mag-adjourn yung first regular session. Meron namang iba pwedeng sabihin na hindi. Pag nag-recess kayo sa March, walang session yung Senate. But of course, even during recess, basta hindi sinidye, tuloy yung trabaho sa Senate dahil nakapagkunda kami ng mga committee hearings.
Yes, sir.
So that's one issue that we have to resolve. Ano yung definition ng Congress in session or not in session?
Yes, sir. I understand that's Article 6, Section 11 of the Constitution. Pero sir, if I read that section correctly, it says na the legislator is immune from arrest while Congress in session for cases that are punishable of
6 years.
6 years and below.
6 years and below.
In other words,
Yeah.
sir, I'm not a lawyer, pero my layman's reading of this is that kung above 6 years yung potential punishment, hindi po nag-apply ang immunity.
Totoo yun, hindi nag-apply. Kasi definite yun 6 years and below yung penalty, yung punishment. So sa ating batas, alam na natin kasi nakasama sa revised penal code kung ano yung penalty, kung prison mayor,
Yes, sir.
di ba? May mga ganon. So define na natin kung 6 years or below o 6 years and 1 day to 12 years, halimbawa. Pero ito, sa kasong ito, ICC. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung penalty unless nakasaad doon sa papadala na ng dokumento na in case ma-convict, ang penalty rito sa kaso ng kung sino man, eto ganito katagal. So doon, madi-decide natin kung papasok yung immunity under our Constitution.
Yes, sir.
Immunity from arrest, hindi immunity from suit.